Hey everybody. So welcome to English 101. My name is Sean McClelland. I'm your instructor for this class. And so today is going to be the first day of our first week of class. So there are already a series of things for you to complete as you are logging in and checking things out. Please make sure that you are aware and you're following along. A lot of these things, you can find them in a bunch of different places. I'm also including them here in announcements for you so that it's easier for you to link through and find all of these different things that you need to complete. So of course, the first place you're going to start is in our Getting Started section of the course. You'll find that in the content tab up at the top of our Brightspace course, so you'll see that there. And all of these assignments are designed to familiarize yourself with how this course is going to work and the different requirements as well. It'll also allow you to get acclimated to Brightspace and learn how the different tools work as well. All of these assignments in the Getting Started tab are due on Wednesday, September 1st at 11:59 p.m. So please make sure that you log in. You can find the tab right in this announcement, but I've also provided the links to the different assignments here. So some of the things that you're going to have to do: number one, finish up the Prepare for the Course section. Also do online learning readiness orientation. Take a look at the course schedule. The course schedule, of course, contains all of the due dates for the next 15 weeks. So if you need to, you can even print that out and keep it with you. There is an orientation discussion as well and a syllabus scavenger hunt. So please make sure that you look over all of these things and finish these assignments by September 1st. Once you have finished up with your work in the Getting Started module, it's time for you to actually dive into our first learning module. This course is organized by learning modules, as you can tell in our course schedule. And each module will last between 3 and 4 weeks. Our first module will be 3 weeks long, and this module is about technology. So you'll see that it kind of repeats how it works through all of the different modules. So once you have started doing that, you notice there are going to be a series of readings. You're going to read in our Lumen online textbook, and you're also going to write some discussion board posts. So this is something you'll see kind of over and over again in these assignments. So all of these can be found, as well as the due dates, in the Module 1 Technology Introduction page. You can take a look at that. And what that does is it will tell you how all of the assignments that we are going to do will align with the learning outcomes of the class, right? So none of the assignments that you'll see in here are busy work. They're all designed to work towards a goal that you'll work on at the end of each module. So go ahead, take a look at that and see how those are all aligned. So some of the things that you're going to be doing this week, you'll have 2 due dates. It'll either be on Friday, September 3rd for these, or on Sunday, September 5th. So this week you're going to have due dates September 1st, September 3rd, and September 5th. So please make sure to keep on top of the work this week. In our Lumen OER textbook, there are 2 things for you to read through. One is Reading and Writing in College. And you'll find this on the second page in the Introduction to Writing section. So you're going to have to go in and find that one. The second thing that you're going to do is just do a keyword search, look for Reading to Write. You can find that and read through both of those sections. Those are all due on Friday, September 3rd. Then there are some readings assignments for you to do as well, some non-textbook assignments. And this is, again, all about technology. There are 4 reading assignments for you to do. All of these are due on Friday, September 3rd as well. The 4 readings are Why Women Aren't Welcome on the Internet, Twitter's Harassment Problem, Toxic Twitter, and The Cult of Openness Enables Misogyny. So please read through those 4 assignments. And then finally, you're going to, after you've done all of this reading, you're going to start putting those readings to work. The first will be the Lumen practice activity, where you will practice annotation. So you're going to practice the annotation for your reading assignments, and you'll be doing annotation throughout this course. So please make sure that you're familiar with it. Next, Tech Week 1 discussion board post. So this is split in 2. You're going to have 2 due dates for your discussion boards. The first discussion, your initial post, where you'll go in and answer some questions, will be due on Friday, September 3rd as well. Then over the weekend, you're going to read from 2 of your classmates and you're going to respond to their posts. Please make sure that you follow along with the instructions on how to do that. And finally, that'll be due on Sunday, September 5th at 11:59 p.m. So like I said, 3 due dates: September 1st, September 3rd, September 5th. So you are going to have to keep on top of all of this work over the next week. Another thing I want to let you know, I am going to make myself available. If you have any problems or anything, you can reach out to me. On Monday, if you're having trouble getting into your class or trying to figure things out, I am going to have office hours. You just need to click on the Zoom link that's down here, and I will be available for you. If that doesn't work, there are lots and lots of other ways to get in touch with me. You can send me a text message, you can send me an email here in Brightspace, or you can send me an email directly from your CCBC email as well. You can find all of that contact information for me under Instructor Information under the Content tab here in Brightspace. So that is it. First week off and running. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help out. And good luck. I will see you all online. Have a great week.